Welcome to the Kits Extended Reality option. With Kits XR, you can provide your client with enhanced visuals, allowing them to experience your proposed solution through VR, virtual reality, and AR, augmented reality. Kits XR is a combination of both VR and AR. Virtual reality is a complete immersion experience that removes an individual from the physical world. Augmented reality adds to the reality you see, rather than replacing it. Computer-generated objects are combined with a live view using the camera on your smartphone. When Kits XR is enabled, your scene builder changes to support VR and AR capabilities by introducing additional functionality to the project. On the top navigation bar, HD Render becomes Kits XR, where you can create Kits VR panoramas and send a project link to view in AR. Kits automatically inserts 3D environment elements to the project, such as surrounding the project with 4 walls, a ceiling, and placing a carpet on the floor. The 3D environment elements are automatically snapped to the project's existing grid floor dimensions. When the Kits XR mode is enabled, the elevation and photo view buttons are temporarily unavailable. A new button, VR View, appears directly above the 3D View button. This button allows you to temporarily hide the 3D environment elements created around your floor grid by setting VR View on or off. These architectural elements have a default finish applied. You are also able to change these default finish values anytime. To permanently hide or change the color of the architectural 3D elements around your project, tap on any of the walls or floor when you're in either a 3D view or plan view. An Edit 3D Environment menu appears. To help with customizing your 3D environment, the walls of your scene are labeled clockwise, wall color 1, 2, 3, and 4. These numbers coordinate with the top, right, bottom, and left walls found in the project. Within the 3D Environment Edit menu, select the wall, floor, or ceiling you wish to change the default finish, or permanently hide the 3D environment element from the scene. Select the option finish you want to change it to, or tap Replace All to apply the same finish across all the walls. Selecting Next will take you to the next 3D environment element option. To create a VR panorama, tap and move the VR target to set your initial front view and perspective. All angles around the target are captured, but the blue arrow within the VR target indicates what a person will see when they open the VR project. Remember to keep the VR target inside the 4 walls for a successful 360 panorama file. The VR target is set to a default standard height of 66 inches. When you're ready to create your VR render, tap Kits XR and then tap Create Kits VR. Try moving the VR target to create different perspectives for your client to experience. Create an unlimited amount of VR 360 panoramas and tap View Panoramas to share and manage your 360 panorama files. Kits XR produces a 360 panorama VR file. This file can be viewed using either a VR headset, goggles, or glasses, or it can be viewed directly within your browser in fish tank mode.